A veritable period of national shame as we all grappled with a power blackout, whose real cause remains the subject of guesswork several days later. Many patients in hospitals could not breathe as vital machines went dead. Business owners had to shoulder inestimable loss and, yes, the country's premier international airport, JKIA, turned into a theatre of shame as passengers groped in the dark with no one to explain their predicament. We cannot overemphasize how much of a tragedy this was for a nation that has positioned itself as a regional aviation and investment hub. That reputation punctured without notice by what is now looking like sheer ineptitude of people paid by the very Kenyans to provide crucial services.